We were given the power to change our world, and you chose to destroy it. Just like Sentinel, you have betrayed Cybertron and its citizens. And you betrayed me. Go. Take the High Guard and leave. You are banished from Iacon. It didn't have to end this way.
Hey, Megatron is Prime. Nice.
Oh, yeah, well, he's my hero.
The greatest Prime to ever live.
I'm D-16.
Orion Pax.
Line between
Ever
friend
mind John
and
before?
No,
is not
you?
as clear as I once
No.
believed.
I hear it's dangerous.
Once it's crossed,
You watch my back.
there's no
I'll
coming back.
watch yours.
All right.
Because some transformations
Facts.
are permanent.